Bitcoin is moving here to the upside, really nice over this weekend. And I want to have a look today on some on-chain data that are indicating in which direction we are actually going here over the next couple of days and weeks in Bitcoin. Hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and let's get here straight into the charts. So here I am on Bitcoin on the 4-hourly chart, and we could see here that over the last 5 days that we had here a nice run here to the upside, and we're consolidating here a little bit, and then got actually a nice breakout here to the upside. So and while we were consolidating, we were forming here a bull flag, and that bull flag target is here all the way up into our resistance level of $51,873, and that gives us really nice confluence with our other technical target here from the W pattern, if you remember from yesterday, where I had said that the target is here at $50,300 approximately, lining up. So we have here now two bullish targets that are both pointing to that we should get a price of over $50,000 really soon here in Bitcoin. When it comes here to a downside scenario, if that bull flag would now roll over and go to the downside, then we would talk about a low here, a low target of $33,343. But I believe that this is highly unlikely. Bitcoin is right now fighting with that $48,500 level that I had multiple times mentioned here over and over again, how significant that level is, since we have here, after this huge drop, broken under it. So, but in my opinion, in the next couple of hours, I believe that we will get over that level, flip it into support, and move here higher. I want to now also show you why I believe that this is the case, and for that we have a look here on CryptoQuant, and here on the on-chain metrics for all exchanges reserving for the whole exchange reserve of Bitcoin, so that are all Bitcoins held by exchanges, so the blue line here. And what you can see here, that this amount is dramatically decreasing here to the downside. So on exchanges as of last week were held 2.4 million Bitcoins compared to in August, no, it's the 27th of July or 26th of July, let's see here, of 100,000 more Bitcoins. So you can see here, here's a heavy downtrend in the works, and it's just getting less and less while the price is here actually going higher. So, and this gives us a perfect indication where the price might hex for the next coming months, as exchanges will get more and more problems to get Bitcoins, so they have to support a rise in price so that people are actually willing to sell their coins. If that is not the case, then Bitcoins will here ultimately run out of Bitcoins and cannot serve the demand anymore that is in the market. So and they are struggling right now already to do so, but it would get much worse. So now let's go back into the Bitcoin chart. So you have seen here, we have here that nice bull flag target. Let us see if we would measure it here all the way down to $51,800. So that is almost a 9% trade, and from where we are right now, it is still 6.8% trade. So if you use here 10 to 20x leverage, we are talking here of 68 to 137% in profits that are possible here. So and if you are now on the sidelines and you are looking for a trade, then wait that we close a candle above the $48,500 level, and that would be my entry with a stop loss here at 48,000 approximately, and then you can trade this to the upside all the way up to 51,800 $50. Guys, that is not financial advice. That is just what I would do in that case. So I actually might open here a new trade when this is happening on Bybit. Yeah, guys, and if you also want to trade on Bybit and you are an experienced trader, then you can go here to the pinned comment below and click on my affiliation link. On Bybit you still get, I think, a $3,000 bonus, and here on Phemex it's still a $1,200 bonus that you just get only with my link in the pinned comment below. So now let's get here a quick look into Cardano. Guys, I mentioned to you that I did not like that breakdown here. So as we can see, we're coming here down, we're retesting the lower support line of the symmetrical triangle, and now heading down again. So that is a heavily bearish sign, because we got here the retest, and we have confirmed that this line here now is resistance. So, and yeah, technically that tells us that we will go down all the way down to the technical target of $1.72. So here at the retest, that would have been a perfect moment to short here Cardano. But yeah, as you guys know, I don't like shorting. I personally don't short, but yeah, some people like shorting, so you could have taken advantage of that. Yeah, so we should here be prepared that we could get here into much lower levels, especially when here the Fibonacci extension level, the 0.272, doesn't give us any support when we come here back again to test this level, as we have done it already here, but there was support. So if we fall through here, then the next stop is directly $2. So, and I might put a short in here once that level is falling through. So, but then also only to $2, because I believe if we are getting down, if we are moving down here, the $2 level is now a crucial support line, as we could have seen here from this huge wick to the downside that got directly bought up and pushed back to the upside. So it could happen that we get something similar like this again. And yeah, for that purpose, I would close my position at $2 or close to the $2 mark here. Let's have also a look here in Ethereum. So I had mentioned a couple days ago to you guys that here the rising wedge was looking heavily bearish to me, and that I was expecting a breakdown at some point that we actually got. And we got here a small move up again. Now we are moving down again, which is not uncanny after a drop out of a rising wedge. So, but it looks to me like that we could now move here into lower levels, at least to the technical target of the rising wedge, and then continue to move here heavily to the upside. We can obviously also turn around earlier, because we are sitting here at the golden ratio, which is always a really good support level. So it could be that we get here a little bit lower, get a bounce, and then move it to the upside. But the technical target of the rising wedge is all the way down here at $3,182, and we should be prepared for that. So if we are getting here now under 3,448, so that could be also a nice opportunity for people that would like to short, to trade this here to the downside. But like I said, personally, I am not a huge fan of shorting, but people that like to short, that could take advantage of here to move all the way down to $3,182. Then I also want to have a quick look here on Solana. Solana is here performing actually quite well, and it could be that here $134 was the low point here, and we came really close, exactly as I predicted, to the $130 level. And yeah, from there we bounced here back now to the upside. And now when I go to a daily chart, there I'm not a huge fan of this bull flag. Oops. But this bull flag points to $220 $59 as technical target after we got this breakout here right now. So we are really moving here perfectly to the upside in direction of our technical target, but I believe that here the golden ratio will give us some sort of resistance, and we should be careful when we get into that level here. Also, $180 is a level to watch. It will be not significant resistance, but also some resistance where I expect some sideways choppiness, and I expect from the golden ratio here a rejection, then some sideways action, and then potentially a move above the golden ratio into our price target here of $260 approximately. Let's have also a quick look on my trade here on Phemex. My trade here is right now 33% in profit, $17,700 approximately, yeah, 750, 0.36 Bitcoin. So, and like I said, if you're an experienced trader and you also want to trade on these platforms, the link to Phemex and to Bybit, where you get still a nice bonus when you are signing up and deposit a little bit of money, are in the pinned comment below. Guys, that was already the video for today again. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this content, smash up the like, destroy the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and also click all notifications. I have seen that a lot of you guys haven't the notifications on, so you get not notified all the time in real time when I'm uploading and publishing a video. So make sure that when you are watching today a video that you have all notifications on. Click on the bell sign and check if you have all on there. Thank you for watching, and I see you tomorrow.